they need the approval of the Alaafin to march on Ilorin?
Of course, Alaafin was the superior king. He was the one that can give the order of the battle. Even it was take the whole army of Yoruba land to march to Ilorin, because people will be coming from Sokoto. So it will be a very serious battle. And I don't think Alaafin Atiba was interested in that war anymore. The most important thing to him is just to secure all that Yoruba land. I think in a way, he has considered that part of Ilorin.
But Ibadan would have gone ahead.
It would have gone ahead, but we know what would have happened. It may not have been very easy.
The way you sounded here, you think...
I think it would be easy if Oderinlo was there. If he led them, I hope that they could have captured Ilorin. And if I were to be alive at that time, I would have encouraged them. I would have invited all the other Yoruba army to support the Ibadan army and march.
They need the approval of the Alaafin to march on Ilorin.
Of course, Alaafin was the superior king. He was the one that can give the order of the battle. Even the fact that Ibadan went to Oshogbo, it was at the behest of the Alaafin. They wouldn't have gone. Alaafin was the military wing of the Yoruba land. But Alaafin was the superior king. He has to order the battle. Without him ordering the battle, they wouldn't go. So the Oyo Empire includes that of Ibadan. While the Ibadan was the military wing of Yoruba land, Alaafin retained the power. He ordered the battle, particularly a serious battle like that.
ṣé ń gbọ́ bó ṣe ń já lálálálá ẹ má yín kúrò níbẹ̀ ní ìkànnì ajíṣebíọ̀yọ̀ online television and radio www.ajíṣebíọ̀yọ̀radio.com. ẹ ṣé tẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ìkànnì wa o. Ajíṣebíọ̀yọ̀ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.